Hey, so today's car we're gonna open is Disney Pixar cars. This is the Lightning McQueen with the racing wheels. Don't have it. We have a couple Lightning McQueens, but Lightning McQueen, and no one wants to unbox it. Here you go, buddy. Ábrelo. A ver.
Stop it.
Stop it. Yo quiero ver.
No. No. No, that. That way.
A ver. Oh, Lightning McQueen. ¿Te gusta? Me gustan las llantitas a mí. A verlo. Pésamelo. Oh, very cool. Look at those wheels. A ver. Let me see it. Let me see it.
No.
Pretty cool tempos. Very cool tempos. Oh, we had kind of a little accident, but it's okay. Ya se fue hasta allá. World Grand Prix. Illinois. American flag. We got some cool tempos on this one. So I like the wheels, the racing wheels that it has. And it's in the front. Piston cup. Hudson. Hornet piston cup. Very cool. So this is for Noah. For me or for you?
Me.
For you? Then. Oh. Sí. Oh. Alright, everyone. Have a good day. See you in another video tomorrow or some other day.
Maybe